Happy Friday, everyone. Welcome to this week's edition of Wixology, your slice of Wix's how-tos. My name is Juliet Sidney from Bamboo Web Design, and I'm going to take you through another section on adding elements to a page and how to get the most from your Wix website. So we've been working our way through the various segments, and this week we are looking at the embed. I'm not going to cover some of these other tools because we've covered those in different sections. But as far as it goes, sometimes you have the opportunity to add a widget or embed something into your site, and you can be given another code from a third party. And I just wanted to show you how to do it. They pretty much all work in the same way. And I've prepped up a widget that I'm currently working on, a menu for somebody on a site, a restaurant menu. So literally you would click to pull up your little frame. And in here, what we're going to do is it says here, enter the code, and literally you would cut and paste your code. So sometimes you might be linking to a web address, in which case you'd pop that in here and you'd put in the site address, so the HTTPS address. So for example, if that was mine there, you'd pop that in. But in this instance, we are dropping in our code. So as they say, here's what I did earlier. So I've got this code from the site that I was using to add the widget. I literally just copy the code. So you'll always be given the code to insert. So here we go, drop the code in, update the code, and then you'll see then, you can then change the iframe that it sits in to make sure it works on your site. So this is a menu that I'm working on for another site, and I could, obviously the menu isn't finished as yet, but just to give you an idea, I would be inclined to try and get rid of this bar where possible. Here we are, and so now I've got this menu on my site, which works quite well. I can also then review how this widget would look in mobile. So if I click on the mobile design, skip that process, you can see there, I'm probably still going to end up, I can probably get rid of the scroll through. But again, obviously because of the size of a mobile, it is more than likely going to sit in a bit of a frame, but I could pull through and then somebody using a mobile would just be able to scroll through the site. Keep going. Should come to the end. There you are. So there you can see you'd have that then listed, and I think that works quite well. So and you can do that, and that's pretty much the same as I say for any of these embeds. So if you want to embed a site, you'd have code. Again, you drop in and it would be the same thing. If I go back here, you've got settings, which is the same settings, and obviously you can stretch this. But generally, I find I drop the code in or the website that it's going to refer to, and then I just resize to fit my design. So hopefully that's given you a little bit of an insight into the embedding panel and adding these codes in. It's a common question, and it's, as you can see, it's quite an easy one to overcome. So that's it for this week. I hope everyone has a wonderful weekend, and I look forward to speaking to you all next week. I believe it might be a bank holiday, so I may skip a week, but if I can, I might try and post early. But anyway, hope to speak to you soon. If you're enjoying this series, then please turn the bell notifications on and subscribe. Look forward to seeing you soon. Take care. Bye now.